ISEE Hair sent me this beautiful package. Let's unbox it together. I love how fine the package is. It's well put together, and in the package I have an elastic band, two booklets, and the unit. I'm working with their Kinky coily crochet hair in length 16, and I have 5 packs of the hair. This is how fine the coils are looking straight from the pack. You guys, look at that. It's fine, and I'm going to the miracle knot braid hairstyle in today's video. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process of how I do mine, and I'm going to start with braiding my hair. Okay, after braiding, I'll start with the installation proper. All the details to this unit from ISEE Hair will be in my description box for you. So click the link and go get yours now. Like, this hairstyle is so easy to do. So you need to try it, guys. Okay, go and get yours. Link in my description box for you guys. I'm done with my braids now, and it is time to start crocheting the coily units to my braids. Okay, to install this hair, I'm going to use my crochet hook, pass it through my braids, and the hair in it, and just tie, guys. Okay, it's very easy. It's not a difficult hairstyle, and for each of the braids, I'm using 3 strands of hair for each of the braids. Okay,
see the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright.
apart from the front where I did like 4 strands of hair at the front just to get a more full look. And yeah, that's it, guys. Okay, also, guys, while you're watching this video, please like the video and share it with your friends. After installing the hair, this is what we have. It is very full, and I used all 5 packs. Okay, now this took me 3 hours to 4 hours thereabouts to finish, and I'm going to just define the coils and show you guys what it looks like. And to define the coils, I'm using water, foaming mush, and my brush. Okay, so I'm just going to spray a good amount of water on the hair, and then put my foaming mousse in it and just detangle it. Okay, it's very easy. Just brush until your coils are looking this fine, like what I have in this video. Okay, now this is how good the coils are looking. I love it. It's fine. So I'm going to use my blow dryer to blow dry this and let it dry, and after which I'm going to trim the ends of the hair, and this is what we have, guys. Okay, this hairstyle is beautiful, and I love that you can style it in different ways. I'm going to show you that in a bit. Okay,
Everything.
yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Oh, this hair is so gorgeous. Like, look. I love this hair so much. It is so soft, very easy to work with. You guys take a look at these coils. Coils are coiling. Okay, it is giving everything it is meant to give. All right, now all the details to this hair will be in my description box for you guys. Click the link and go get yours. Like, you need to look this good. Okay, like, you really need to have this hair in your collection. It is everything. and more. I give it a 10 over 10, guys. Okay. Also, if you've watched to this point and you've not liked this video, please, guys, like this video and leave your comment in the comment section. Also, for those who have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Okay. Now let's go into styling of this hair. I have different styles I want to show you guys, so just stay tuned while we style this hair. Aside the middle part and the side part, which I love so much, I love the side part so much. I love how beautiful it is on me, guys. Let me know in the comment section which other style is beautiful among all the styles. Okay, I'm going to show you guys, or I'm showing you guys right now, which other size do you think is more fine aside the side parts. Okay, leave that in the comment section.
Just getting started, but my summer target. Love, love. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Vámonos, vámonos, vámonos. Estamos caídos ya. Rebolando, só que Santos guarda só. Isso é quality portal. Elas não tá pensando, não tá pensando. Essa rebolando, só que Santos guarda só. Isso é quality portal. Say just cassette, but go there, cages, no I will sit there, take it, love, love. There are people that I get on that body. Every time I break, it's just more pain to burn. So never, never, never.
The takedown process. You guys know that I break down all through, okay? So I'm just going to start unraveling it. Alright, just take that and breathe. As you're taking that and breathe, the hair is going down with it, okay? Let me come a bit closer. Guys, you see? It's out. And this isn't. Okay, so just take down your hair, your braid, and this comes out on its own. Okay, that's easy, guys. Now this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay beautiful. Okay, bye guys.